Hey, Paleo Nick here. I'm not a big fan of the paleo baked goods per se, but I do like to bust out the KitchenAid once in a while. I get a lot of requests for paleo breakfast, especially eggless stuff and breakfast on the go. So I've come up with paleo, pretty paleo bacon berry protein muffins. So I'm gonna preheat the oven and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're going to start off with some bananas here. I've got 6 kind of medium-sized bananas, and I'm going to be blocking out this whole recipe so that each muffin is one block, protein, carbs, and fat, if you're doing the zone. How I'll do it is I'll just slit down the back of the banana and then just get them in the mixer. And since my bananas aren't super ripe, I'm actually going to get this mix in, so to give it a little extra help, or a little extra time breaking those bananas up. From there, I've got 6 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. That'll be our leavener, and then a ½ cup of almond butter. Okay guys, for our protein, we have some eggs in there. We'll have a little bit of bacon, but our main protein source is gonna be protein powder. This is just a naturally flavored, pure whey protein. Okay, so we'll get that going in there, mixing up. And then from there, what I'll do is just kind of eyeball it with some coconut flour. The size of the banana is going to be different. The size of the egg is going to be a little bit different. So this is where eyeballing and just looking for the right muffin batter consistency comes in. Put one more. There we go. So we added 3 tablespoons coconut flour. And then what I'll do is I'll often get my mixer lifted up so that the paddle rubs against the bowl like that. A lot of times stuff will get stuck down in the bottom. Boom. And that's our consistency there. And then you're probably wondering where the bacon berry comes in. We're just gonna fold in 1½ cups blueberries, 6 slices bacon, nice and gently. Okay, and then I've got 24 cups here, and then some coconut spray. I also like to spray the face of the pan so that anything that drips over, overflows, comes off easily as well. From there, I'll take a PC scoop, remembering that these will expand as they bake. I'm gonna fill them up maybe almost all the way to the top. 3/4 is usually a safe bet. So there we have it, guys. We got them all divvied up. The oven's at 341, 342, we're 8 degrees away. It's all coming together perfectly. I'm gonna pop these in the oven, 350. And those should take about 20 to 25 minutes. There we go, guys. Okay, so there we have it. It's our bacon berry muffins. 1 block each, so 3 of these is a 3-block breakfast. And there's 24 total, so that would be 8 days straight of your breakfast pre-made, just like that. So let's see if they stick or how everything works here, coming off the wrapper. Boom, nothing. We could even reuse these, you guys. Keep it green. But yeah, make these guys ahead. You can freeze them for up to 6 months. But make, 1 batch a month and subsidize that with the other things inside. Look like that, and let's see how they taste. Might be a little bit hot. Whoa, it's really hot, but really good. You guys give these a shot. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to keep it paleo.